Hi students, this is Pranav Maths Academy. Today we are going to learn all formulas from grade 7. First lesson is in teachers commutative property a plus b is equivalent to b plus a. For example, 10 plus 30 is equivalent to 30 plus 10. Next one is associative property a plus b plus c is equivalent to a plus b plus c. In any order you can add. Distributive property a into b plus c is equivalent to a into b plus a into c. For example, 10 into 3 plus 4 is equivalent to 10 into 3 plus 10 into 4. Both give the same result. Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimal. 100 paise is equivalent to 1 rupees. Similarly, 1 paise is equivalent to 1 by 100 rupees. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equivalent to 1 meter. Similarly, 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. Then, area of rectangle. It is equivalent to length into breadth. Chapter 3 Data Handling. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equivalent to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Mode. The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occur most often. For example, find the mode of the given set of number. Here set of numbers are given. You have to arrange the numbers in order, ascending order. Then check which number occur more frequently. That is the mode. Chapter 4 Simple Equations. An equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions have the same value. For example, consider the equation 5x equal to 30. Here x is the variable unknown value. Here divide both sides by 5. We get x by 5 equal to 35 by. That is equivalent to x equal to 6. Value of x equal to 6. The value of the variable is known as solution to the equation. Chapter 5 Lines and Angles. Acute angle. Acute angle is the angle whose measure greater than 0 but less than 90. Adjacent angle. These are two non-overlapping angles that share a common side and vertex. Complementary angle means whose measure have a sum of 90 degree. If one angle is 50, then other one is 40 degree. Congruent. Having exactly same shape and size or same measure means these are congruent. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180. For example, 110 is an obtuse angle. Right angle, an angle whose measure is 90. Straight angle, an angle whose measure is 180 degree. Supplementary angle, if two angles sum is 180, then that is known as supplementary angles. Vertex, the point where the two sides of an angle meet. Then here some example diagram are given. For example, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measurement are equivalent to 180 degree. Here two angles are given. Transversal, a line that intersects two or more lines at distinct point is called transversal. Here the green line indicate transversal. Equilateral triangle. In a triangle, if all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then the triangle is known as equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, each angle measures 60 degree. Isosceles triangle. In a triangle, if two sides are equal and two angles are equal, then that triangle is known as isosceles triangle. The equal angle are known as base angles. Median. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Here from the diagram, you can learn what is vertex and what is median. Altitude. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called altitude. Therefore, a triangle has 3 altitude. Here the diagram indicates the altitude. Next, exterior angle of triangle. An exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Here, violet color line indicate the exterior angle. which is equivalent to 65 plus 55 degree, that is equivalent to 120 degree. This is the exterior angle theorem. Next one is angle sum property of triangle. The total measure of the three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. If you know two angle, then using this property you can find the unknown angle. Property of the length of side of a triangle. The sum of the length of any two side of triangle is greater than the length of third side. For example, here AB plus BC is greater than AC. That by Pythagorean theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on its legs. Here A and B are legs. C is the hypotenuse. Therefore, C squared is equivalent to A squared plus B squared. Congruence of angle. If two angles have the same measure, then they are congruent. If two angles are congruent, then their measures are the same. Here two ABC and PQ are same. Congruence of triangle. Here ABC and PQ are two triangles. Here they have same size and same. Therefore, they are congruent triangles. SSS congruence. If two triangles have same sides, three sides, or if all three sides are congruent, then these two triangles are congruent. SAS congruent. If two sides and the included angle are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent. ASA congruence. If two angle and the included side are congruent, then two triangles are congruent. Here from the diagram you can understand it well. RHS congruence. Here two right angle triangle are given. Here hypotenuse and one leg is same. If it is so, this belongs to RHS congruence. Chapter 8, comparing quantities. To compare two quantities, the unit must be the same. For example, find the ratio of 4 km to 400 meter. Here these two data are in different units, so we have to convert kilometer to meter. To convert kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, we have to multiply 4 by 1000. We get 4000 meter. Then we have to find the ratio to 4000 meter to 400. Therefore, we get 10:1. Percentage is another way of comparing quantities. Percentage or numerator of fraction with the denominator 100 and have been used in comparing results. Decimals to percentage. To convert decimal to percentage, simply multiply by 100. Here for example 0.25 is equal to 0.25 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Increase or decrease as percent. Percentage increase is equal to amount of change divided by original amount or base into 100. Relation between percent, fraction, decimal is given in the table. 1% is equal to 1 by 100 fraction, that is equal to 0.01 in decimal. Simple interest. Simple interest equal to PTR by 100. Here P is the principal, T is the time period, R is the rate of the interest. Profit of loss as percentage. Profit percentage is equivalent to profit divided by cost price into 100. Similarly, loss percentage is equivalent to loss divided by cost price into 100. Rational numbers. Fractions or numbers of the form numerator divided by denominator. Here one simple diagram with a fraction is given. A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form P by Q. Here P and Q are integers. 4 by 5 is a rational number. For example, P equal to 4 and Q equal to 5 here. Rational number in standard form. A rational number is to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Here 3 by 15 is given. We have to divide it by the highest common factor. Then we get 1 by 5. This is in standard form. A negative rational number is to the left of 0, whereas a positive rational number is to the right of 0 on the number line. Here two numbers are indicated in the number line. Addition and subtraction of rational number. Two rational number can be added if their denominator are same. Here 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is given. 3 and 3 are same, so we can add it together. Multiplication of rational number. We have to multiply the numerator, then multiply the denominator. Product of numerator divided by product of denominator. Here one example is given. Minus 3 by 8 into 5 by 7. Therefore answer is equal to minus 15 divided by 56. Division of rational number. To divide one rational number by another rational number, we have to multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other. For example, 4 by 9 is divided by minus 5 by 7. 4 by 9 into 7 by minus 5. That is equal to minus 28 by 45. Then perimeter and area, chapter 11. Square. Perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. Here all sides are equal. Area of square equal to side into side. Rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length, breadth. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half BH. Here B is the base, H is the height. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r squared. Pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7 also can be used. Circumference of a circle equal to pi into d. D is the diameter. You can replace it by 2r. Conversion unit for length. 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Chapter 12. Algebraic Expression. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. If an expression contains only one term, it is known as monomial. If it contains two terms, it is known as binomial. If it contains more than 3 terms, then it is known as polynomial. The sum of two or more like terms is like term with the numerical coefficient equal to the sum of the numerical coefficient of all like terms. The difference between two like terms is a like term with the numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of the two like terms. Unlike them cannot be added or subtracted. Exponents. We can write large number in a shorter form using exponent. For example, 10,000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 10 power 4. We can simply write this as 10 power 4. Here 10 is called the base and the power 4 is called the exponent. Minus 1, when multiplied by odd number of times, it will give minus 1. When minus 1 is multiplied by even number of times, it will give you plus 1. Laws of exponent. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Taking power of a power. If a power m the whole power m is given, then we have to write it is equivalent to a power mn. Multiplying powers with the same exponent. A power m into b power m equal to ab the whole power m. Dividing powers with the same exponent. A power m divided by b power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. Here we can write it as a by b the whole power m. Numbers with exponent 0. If any number raised to the power 0, then it is equivalent to 1. 14th chapter, Symmetry. A figure has line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. Rotational symmetry. If after a rotation an object looks exactly the same, we say that it has a rotational symmetry. Learning is the treasure. It follows its owner everywhere. So keep learning. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hi students, this is Pranav Maths Academy.